Welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's ride! Warning, HondaHarleyGurl does not condone any illegal motorcycle riding, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do at your own risk. So you make the decision. Do the right thing or not. Either way, safe riding and have fun. We riding. I'm in 4th gear. 40 miles per hour. I'm actually over the speed limit. I mean, that's all I'm gonna do because Policia is in front of me. He probably has no jurisdiction over here, but you know, we still go respect it and not take that chance of getting a ticket. But the police around here are cool as heck. Very laid back. I gotta get around the slowness. Y'all, this traffic was so slow and it was so hot outside. I had no choice but to lane split. I was a little nervous because I'm always nervous when I lane split because I know I shouldn't be doing it, but it was so necessary in this situation. Plus, practice makes perfect, right? Oh shit! The block is hot near my job. What is happening? Oh, like an accident. Oh, it is an accident. No, bien. Sorry to see that. Whew, and this is what I gotta get through. Barely halfway. Gotta go, baby. I know I rolled for this. Woo! Woo! This clip from a motovlog I put out in 2019 is a great reason why we must stay patient while riding and just in life, period. I almost ran over a pedestrian while lane splitting on my motorcycle, y'all. Check it out. Woo! Sorry! Oh, shit! Woo! Sorry! That's why I don't like to lane split. Legal or illegal motorcycle riding, you make the choice. Whatever you do, stay safe and have fun. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. HondaHarleyGurl out.